你好 ，Welcome to today's lesson. Today's do now. 第一题，我弟弟上5年级。我弟弟上5年级。My younger brother is in 5th grade. 第二题，我有2个好朋友。我有2个好朋友。I have 2 good friends. 第三题，我有1只狗、1只猫和1只鸟。I have 1 dog, 1 cat, and 1 bird. 他家很大。第四题，他家很大。His house is big. 第五题，你有宠物吗？你有宠物吗？ Do you have pets? Yesterday we finished unit test and unit 2, and today we start unit 3. Before that, I want you to know if you have a problem to organize your Chinese binder, here are some ideas. You should put your binder in 4 sections. You should have a note, everything you write in the class. Then the homework section, you put everything you write at home. Except the oral practice sheet, I want you to put on the 3rd section is a study guide and worksheet. So that's something you have like study guide, vocabulary practice sheet, or oral practice sheet. Then the last one is in the test and the quiz. Of course, if you have other way to sort it, it's fine. Just in case if you have a problem, that's some ideas for you. Tomorrow I won't be here, so I'll give you my plan for tomorrow is I'll give you 20 minutes on Quizlet and Study Stack. I'll put the link on Google Classroom and also another 20 minutes to complete a Google Doc in Google Classroom so that you don't have any papers to hang into the substitute teacher. But just remember the most important thing is be respectful and behave. Like any bad reports will probably cause detention or any punishment. Today we start Unit 3. So Unit 3 is about your daily activities, 日常活动. So first we will learn about body parts. 我的身体，我的身体。Okay, for this slide, I want you just say it, not write it, anything. 头，头。眼睛，眼睛。嘴巴，嘴巴。鼻子，鼻子。耳朵，耳朵。Okay, here is the word list I want you to write. 头，眼睛。鼻子，嘴巴，耳朵。Some of the words are really complicated, so in the class I show you how to write in correct stroke order, but actually I just want you to be able to say it. You don't need to remember every characters. Okay, so when people ask you 这是什么? What is this? You will say 这是眼睛。这是什么？这是耳朵。这是什么？这是嘴巴。这是什么？这是鼻子。Here I want you to write 这是什么？ What is this? 这是我的眼睛。这是我的鼻子。这是我的嘴巴。这是我的耳朵。And today's homework is to complete the body parts writing practice sheet. Basically, you just need to draw a face and write 5 times of each body parts in pinyin, not characters. And that's it for today. 再见。